Hey fruity cutie with the booty, what's up? My name is Jeanette, also known as Ms.FitVegan, and I'm here with my yellow watermelon, which is rotten. But you know what? It's all good because I got options, okay? I got grapes, I got kiwi, I got mango, I got other things, okay? So this is one of the biggest tips I can give you, which is please do yourself a favor and have backup. Okay, have backup because the fruit life is not consistent. It is not a guarantee. All right, so we need to make sure we have something in case it is rotten. So this yellow watermelon is rotten, unfortunately, even though it had all the signs that it was going to be good. All right, we move on to the next thing. It's no problem. What we're going to do is I had some grapes, but you know what I actually really want? I really want some nice cream. So we're gonna make some nice cream, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna have our blender. We're gonna put in some frozen bananas. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, 7 frozen bananas. We're gonna do the base of coconut water. Okay, so actually we're gonna make a smoothie bowl. Yeah, smoothie bowl. So the coconuts that I drink are from here, Florida, obviously. If you cannot get fresh coconut water, then I recommend you just use regular water because the pasteurized stuff is just a waste of your money. It's a waste of your time, it's a waste of your digestion, and it's a waste of your money. All right? That stuff is dead. You don't need it. It's just going to cause indigestion. Anything pasteurized is definitely a waste of your time. So before I put this in the blender, I always like to try it because the truth is that sometimes the coconut water is bad. You never know. Just like the watermelon, the fruit life is not a guarantee. It's from nature. So we're going to just let that. Do you and your mom want to be on camera? Oh, goodbye. Okay. Oh, yeah. I'm going to show you guys Awa's mom one day this week. She's here with us for the next month. The coconut water's good. Okay, let me just get a little more out. All right, I have a secret ingredient that's going to go into this smoothie bowl. So we're going to put in some coconut water. Not that much. I finally got a cleaver so that I can open the coconuts and take out the meat. I'll show you guys how to do that in another video. All right, I'm gonna put in, now I know y'all are gonna think that I am like recommending this product and sponsored. I'm gonna put in daily green boost, but here's why. I do not take it for health purposes, okay? I told y'all, I like the taste. So I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of daily green boost. You can put in spinach or kale. I like daily green boost because I like the taste. Also, it is really good for me, especially because I don't eat a lot of greens. I eat a lot of fruit. And sometimes you don't want sweet. And so this nice cream or this smoothie bowl is going to be the perfect consistency and the perfect flavor. Not too sweet because of the greens. Here's the secret ingredient. Unsweetened toasted coconut flakes. There's only one ingredient in here, and that is coconut. Okay, so I'm excited about that. And oh my god, they're so good. They're just these little coconut flakes. We're just gonna put in a handful because I'm gonna put some on top too. Okay, and we're gonna blend. If we need more coconut water, then we will do that. Now, I have to plug it in. Hold on. And I have some really cool news, which is one of my supporters, one of my amazing supporters, found out that my juicer just broke. My Nama J1 just hit the dust. And so one of my supporters is sending me a Nama J2. I'm so excited. And that's coming in the mail very soon. Not sponsored at all, but I'm excited to show you guys my new Nama J2. Should I get a discount code? People always ask me what's my discount code, and I don't have one. It would probably be a good idea for me to get one, right? So then I can make some money. Does that go there? Yeah, that goes there. Okay, here we go. Make sure your Vitamix is always on low. Now, if you wanted it very, very thick, nice cream style, you would put in no water or a tiny splash of water. If you want a smoothie, you're going to put in a lot more water. And if you want a smoothie bowl, then you're going to do like we're doing today. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Cut the sound for a second. Okay, now we're going to take, I want to get the bowl that I really like. There's this coconut bowl that I can't seem to find. So I guess I'll just use this one. It's fine. It'll be like Christmas. All right, so we got our bowl. I'm going to get the spatula. And by the way, it's not easy for me this week, guys. Okay, Awa's mom is in town and she is not a raw vegan by far. So it's not easy for me, but I got this. I got this. I was actually really, really, really happy because last night she asked if I could make her some ice cream. So I made her some bananas, berries, and cashews. Okay, nice cream. Now, if you really want to impress someone, put in those cashews, okay? I usually put in hemp seeds in this smoothie bowl, but I didn't today. And let's try it. Let's see if it tastes good. So good. You can put in some dates if you'd like. I just had dates from Algeria. They are amazing. Put on some coconut flakes on top. You can get fancy if you want. Put on your fancy toppings, but I'm not fancy. I keep it very simple. Very, very simple. The more simple the meal, the better you'll feel. And that's the that's the video for today, boo. I'm going to get back to work. I'm still finishing my book. This is my lunch. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Y'all want to see my watermelon room, don't you? I know you do. I know you do. There's nothing that's really changed since you saw it last, but somebody brought me a watermelon last night. You know, when you step into your greatness, into the version of you that is real, then what's going to happen is you are going to attract people in your life that are going to give you things that make them think of you. And so be yourself, and you're going to get free watermelons and free Nama J2 juicers. I love you guys. No joke. I'll see you soon. Wait, something's missing over here. Something is missing. What is missing? That's weird. I can always tell when something's missing, but there is definitely something missing there. Okay, love you guys. Bye.